Welcome back to Cause 3D. Today, we're going to build a Darth Vader helmet. But before we get into the build, this just came straight off the bed. It's a raw print, and it's in two parts. It's the face and the dome. And what I am going to attempt is finish this bad boy for a convention that we had coming up. And it is quite detailed. And I've got a lot of bad print artifacts on this dome. It's just didn't come out very well overall. And I think it's the file. I've printed one of these before, but this one is going to be quite challenging. So what I'm going to attempt to do is build this because we have a convention coming up that Hayden Christensen is going to be at, and I want him to be able to autograph this dome if I get it done in time. So let's get over to the building, shall we? Well, we're about done with it. This has been a pretty long build for me. It's taken me all week to do this, and maybe about 5 days worth of actual working on and off with this. But just got my last clear coat on the dome today. Now I do have to do some polishing of it because there are some dull spots that are kind of in this, somewhere in this area over here, and there's a little bit of a dull spot over here as well. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. I mean, it's about 98% done. I do have lenses that I am ordering that are going to fit this, I hope, and I've actually got some lenses that are currently resin printing. I'm going to see if I can get those. They have a red tint to them. Try to get those nice and smooth, and then put a coating on them so that they're actually dark enough to see some window tinting or something like that. But yeah, this has been a pretty big build. Yeah, big project. Hopefully, coming up to the next convention, I'm going to see Hayden Christensen, and fingers crossed, might be able to get him to autograph this dome, and this is obviously going to be a permanent fixture in my collection. So thanks for joining us today. Like and subscribe. 78% of you that watch these videos are actually not subscribed to our channel, and that would really help us out. I mean, it's a good way to support us without actually spending any money. We would appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. We appreciate to hear from you, and I do my best to answer all the comments that are out there. So let me know what you think, and we will see you in the next video.